Okay, so we'll start with burpees. Right, let me put that here. Correct. Okay. You able to hear me, see me? Nice. Okay. So we'll do a cardio today, and we'll take a very less break, maybe around only 10 seconds in between. So there will be two versions. One will be slower version, one will be a high intensity version. People who join new, they can go for a low intensity cardio. People who joined with us long back, they can go for a high intensity, right? High intensity, you can burn more calories. So let me show you burpees. I'll have the count. Each exercise will do for 30 seconds, and we'll take a gap of 10 seconds, and again we'll do the next exercise, right? So easy one, right? Burpees, you jump, go down, and legs again back, legs front, come up, go up, and down, right? You go repeat. So let us try to do 10 to 12 burpees within 30 seconds. Okay? So here you go. I'll have the counter. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30-second burpees. Four, 5, 6, 7. Last 5 seconds. Try to complete 10. Last one. Awesome. 30 seconds done. 10 seconds gap. Let me show you the next one. This is toe touching. Okay? Jump and do. We'll go for 30 seconds. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Jump, alternate toe touching. Jump, touch. Nice. 15 more seconds. Five more seconds. Done. 30 seconds done. Okay. 10 seconds gap. Don't sit. You are not supposed to sit in the cardio. Okay. Next, we'll go for high knees, right? High knees. Slower version would be slower version. Go for a higher version. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Knees should be high. Breathe and do. 10 more seconds. Three, two, one. Done. 10 seconds gap. Next one is on the mat. Go on the mat. Okay. We'll do a jack and toe touching also if you can do. So this is jack. Okay, not visible. Okay, let me show you this way also. This is a jack, right? And also shoulder tap. We'll do both together. If you can't do, if you can do only one, that's okay. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flank jack and shoulder tap. Seconds. Five more seconds. Seconds done. Awesome, guys. 10 seconds gap. Okay. Next one would be normal sit-ups. Okay. You go down completely, back straight. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2. Try to do 25, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 30 seconds done. Okay, 10 seconds gap. Next one is again on the mat. Simple one. Bridge to sit. Okay, you are not sitting. There's a gap. Bridge, sit. Bridge and sit. Okay? So go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Bridge and sit. Bridge. Bridge and bridge and when you do bridge, try to go completely up. Three, 2, and 1. Done. 30 seconds. Okay. Nice. We'll take a 20 seconds break. Take a sip of water, a little bit. Again, we'll try. Next circuit. Okay. 10 more seconds. Let me see what's next in the circuit. Okay. Correct. So let me show you the next one. Okay. It's called switching climbers. Leg position here, and next one, next, and you do this. Okay? Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Try to be completely front. Fifteen more seconds. Five more seconds. 30 seconds done. 10 seconds gap. Okay, here is next. Come in the boxing position. Hook, punch, kick. Hook, punch, kick. Okay? We have to do it a bit more with aggression. Hook, always you are trying to beat something. Okay? Here you go. Little bend, good for the grip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hook, punch, kick. Next hand, hook, punch, kick. Change hand. Kick, hook, punch, 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 kick. Last 5 seconds. 30 seconds done. Gap. Okay. Next one again we'll go on mat and do a cycle crunch. Okay. Easy one. Go on the mat and do a cycle crunch. Slowly, not fast, slowly. Right? Hold it and do. Hold it and do. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Twenty more seconds. Five more seconds. Done. 30 seconds done. Okay. Don't sit, don't sit. Last 2 more sets to go. Okay. Next one is jump and sit-ups. Okay. Jump and sit-up. Jump and sit-up. Okay. Easy one. Jump and do sit-up. Jump and do sit-up. Okay. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Jump. Sit-up. Jump. Sit-up. Jump as high as possible. Last 10 seconds. Seconds done. Gap. Don't sit, don't stand. Generally, we should do something like this, but you are not doing, right? Okay, next one again on the mat. We'll do leg crunch. Okay, easy one. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Cross lunge, okay? Right one will come to left knee, left one will come to the right knee. Okay, here. Little down. Yeah. Here you go. Cross lunge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Take 20 seconds break. Take a sip of water. We end the circuit 1. We'll do one more circuit. Good. I am jealous. Somebody is not sweating at all. ये कैसे हो सकता है? Take a little bit of water. More seconds. Start again. Let me see what's in the list. Okay. So next one is this one. Alternate knees and jump, right? Or you can do a normal lunges also. Okay. But the jumping one is better. Try to do at least 5 or 10. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Jumping lunges. You can mix it. Five more seconds. Five seconds done. Gap. Okay. Next one, I'll show you. This is a warm up kick. Okay. Do this, right? And you jump. Then you change the side. Only one hand and do side. Only one hand and do side jump. Okay, easy one. We'll do for 30 seconds. 30 second right side, 30 second left side. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Only one hand. Jump and back. Jump and back. Right? Yeah. Five more seconds. Done. 30 seconds done. Gap. Okay. Change the sides. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, easy one, guys. Just to do some more warm-ups for your legs. There's no intensity on hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 30 seconds done. Gap. Okay. Next one, again we'll go down on mat. Okay, we'll do some back cycling. Easy one. Go this. Looks easy but not easy, okay? I know. So, do a swimming activity only on core. Okay? Shoulders up, legs up. Just a minute. Okay. Shoulders up, legs up. Okay? Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Fifteen more seconds. Five more seconds. Done. 30 seconds done. 10 seconds gap. Okay. Next. Okay. Next is easy one, guys. So we'll do a just hand movement and leg movement. Okay. Easy one. Trying to throw something, right? Go for 30 seconds. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Nice. Swing your arms. Swing your arms. Swing it. Right? Easy one. 5. Last 5 seconds. 30 seconds done. Ten seconds gap. Next one. Again we go down on mat. Okay. This time we'll try to hold it. Okay. Leg straight. Arm straight. And we'll hold it for 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. Just hold it. If your legs, hands, stomach muscles are vibrating, that's okay. Okay? Day by day it will help in strengthening it. I'll go for 45 seconds. 30 seconds is done. Anybody wants to leave, they can leave, no problem. 5 more seconds for 45 seconds. Done. 45 seconds done. Again, please stand up. Okay. We'll take a break after this. We'll do a jumping jack and take the third break. Okay? Easy jumping jack, right? Easy one. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Jumping jack. Easy one. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Awesome. Take a 20 seconds gap. Take a small sip of water. And go for the last circuit.
What?
बोलो.
वो चैट में कुछ भेजा है.
Okay. Yes. Sure, we'll do it. Okay. We are getting some messages on every. Let me wave. Okay. Thank you guys for joining on FB. Nice to see you. Okay, so last circuit will go. Let me see what's in the list. Okay, we're done with almost. Okay, yes. Again, we'll do burpees. So 5 more exercises we'll do. One on the mat, one on the burpees. Right? Easy one, burpees. Right? The first one we did. Let us do again. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Awesome. Seconds done. Ten seconds gap. Okay, so here we go. Next one is for side lunges. Okay, so go down with hand support or without hand support. Okay, whichever is easy for you. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. With hand support, without support. Ten more seconds. 5 more seconds. 30 seconds done. 10 seconds gap. Don't sit. Okay. We'll go for a plank. Take a 10 seconds more gap. We'll go for a plank for 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes plus. Okay. We'll go for plank now. Here you go. We'll go for elbow plank. Right? As I have the timer, let me show you. It has to be flat, not this, okay, or not this. This has to be flat, not this, okay, as close as possible to the ground. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Two-minute plank. Even if you go down, please come up. It's okay. "20 seconds gone. 1 minute 40 seconds to go. "40 seconds gone. Hold up, hold up.
1 minute. Very nice. Come on, come on. Susmita is doing better than me. Twenty more seconds. 20 more seconds. Ten more seconds. Come on, come on, come on. Last 3 seconds. 2 minutes done. Awesome, awesome. Plan is to beat 3 minutes. My next 2 weeks will be done. Okay. So we'll do some stretching. Very much necessary after the heavy workout. We'll do some cool down. Right. So let me show you some stretching. Easy stretchings. Sit down, relax, okay, bend down, try to go down as much as possible. I am not that much flexible, I know, so go down. Try to push. Hold your ankle and push. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Fold your legs. Just hold one leg. And try to touch with both hands your other toe. There will be stretch on this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Cross your leg like this, right? And put a hand. This is yoga asana, but it's helpful for stretching. Okay? Move backward and try to push this. Try to push it. Okay? Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Other leg. There, push it. Good for spine, okay? Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Some back muscles. Okay, do this. It's for back, shoulders, for hamstrings. Touch your toes on the ground, not up, on the ground. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, nice. Go on this cow position, go down and child. Stretch your arms as much as possible. Try to touch your forehead on the mat. Okay. Next is the cobra. Try to see upwards completely, not front. Try to see upwards. Legs should be outwards, toes should be outwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Awesome, guys. Clap for yourself who joined. Right. Let me see how much calories I burned. Nice. Almost 320 calories. Right. 2 gulab jamun calories you have burnt. Thank you guys for joining on Abby. See you.